Hello, in this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to use the image resize feature within the settings of the advanced file upload field in Bitform. Let's begin. Navigate to the settings of the advanced file upload field. Enable the image resize option. Specify the desired width and height for the image resize. You also have the option to set the image resize mode. Let's proceed by uploading an image and submitting the form. After uploading an image and submitting the form, check the size of the uploaded image. As you can see, the image has been successfully resized. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.